All the content of the videos are planned in joyful and playful method to keep your children engaged and motivated and also to enhance the previous knowledge. It is purely based on informal method. It does not suggest or force compulsory learning by the students. The fun-filled learning videos by teachers will help them stay active and refreshed. The school does not claim to test or assess the child based on this informal education.
Good morning, my dear kiddos. I hope that you all are doing great and safe at home. So, today I am going to teach you all moral science and a very beautiful story. And the lesson number 1 is be obedient. Are you all obedient to your elders? Okay, I know that you all are very obedient children. So my dear children, let's move on and listen carefully to this story. It is very beautiful and very interesting. So my dear children, let's listen to this beautiful story. And the name of the story is Shiny the Star. Shiny was a tiny star. She lived in the sky with her parents. She wanted to travel around to see what there was in other places. Her parents told her that she was too little to go off on her own and that she would have to wait. One day, Shiny saw a lovely green patch with colorful dots on it deep down from the sky. She forgot what her parents had said and flew down to look at it. But she flew so fast that she soon got lost. She didn't know where her home was. Shiny reached the green patch. It was actually a garden on the earth. The children and the animals there thought she was a very bright firefly. Everyone wanted to catch her. Shiny was very frightened. Shiny flew from the garden and entered a house. There she hid herself under a sheet. A child came and lay down next to her. He saw her and thought she was a ghost. He screamed with fear. Shiny got scared and flew from there too. Shiny reached a mountain. A great dragon lived there. The dragon thought she was going to kill him. He spat fire on her. Luckily, she managed to escape the dragon and its flame. Shiny was very scared. She was also missing her parents. She sat on top of a high mountain and started to cry. Soon it became dark. There in the sky, her parents were also searching everywhere to find her. Suddenly, they saw a very bright light on the mountain. They knew it was Shiny. Immediately, they flew to find her. At last, Shiny went back home safely. From that day, she always listened to what her elders said. So my dear children, I hope that you loved the story. So let me explain it to you quickly. There was a tiny star, a baby star The name of the star was Shiny. She was living in the sky. Yes, and she was living with her parents and she was very small. Shiny wanted to see the other places apart from the sky. Okay, she wanted to see beautiful places on the earth. But Shiny's parent told her not to go here and there because she was small. She is small, right? So her parents told her not to go here and there alone. Okay. So one day, right from the sky, Shiny saw a lovely patch, and on that patch she saw colorful little dots. Okay, so she wanted to see that, so she flew down from the sky and landed down on the earth, and she flew so fast that she soon got lost and landed right down in a garden. Yes, the thing that she saw from the sky was a garden. It was green patch. Green patch means the grasses, and on that dot were the flowers. Beautiful, colorful flowers. So she landed on a garden. Children and animal saw Shiny. They thought that Shiny was a firefly. Yes, they thought that Shiny was a firefly. Okay, but Shiny got so frightened because the children and the animals were coming to catch her. So she got frightened and she flew from there and she straight away landed in a house, and she hid herself under a sheet. Yes, when you get frightened of something, you hide yourself. If you do something mischievous thing, you hide yourself, you get frightened. Yes, okay. So she also got frightened and she hid herself under a sheet. Yes. So one boy came and lay down beside her. Okay. And after some time he saw her and he got so frightened that he screamed. He thought that Shiny was a ghost. Yes. If you see a ghost, what will you do? Will you do friendship? No, you will also get frightened. So that little boy also got frightened after seeing Shiny. So he screamed and he also got frightened. Shiny also got frightened and Shiny flew away from there also, and she landed in a mountain. Now, look what happened. She flew from a garden. She flew from that house also, and she landed in the mountain. Now in that mountain there was a great dragon. Yes, and that dragon thought that Shiny is there in that mountain to kill him. Yes, so he pat a big fire on Shiny, but luckily Shiny managed to escape from there. Yes, after that she went on a top of the hill, and she was crying over there. Yes, this is what happens when you don't listen to your parents, my dear children. So Shiny sat there and she was crying and missing her parents. But her parents were also finding her. The parents were also looking for her. When you go to your friend's house without telling your parents, or you go anywhere without telling your parents search for you, right? Like in the same way, Shiny's parents were also looking for her. So finding, her parents saw a very bright light from the sky, and they came down to that hilltop and met Shiny. So always be obedient and listen to your parents. Don't act like shiny. Okay? So my dear children, isn't it fun in being so obedient? I hope that you love this story and it was very easy for you all to understand. So I'll meet you in another part. Till then, thank you and bye bye.